Baby girl, you're bigger than your Instagram.
Hey guys, it's Alyssa and I'm back! So today's video is not going to be that long, it's just going to be me showing you what my everyday makeup tutorial is. I think my first ever video on this channel was my natural makeup tutorial, and that was a little over a year ago, so my everyday makeup has sort of changed since then. But yeah, so I'm just going to be showing you what I do if I want to wear makeup, but like it's like want to be natural, you know, and like...
I don't know what I'm saying.
Okay. Yeah, so I guess there really isn't that much to it, so I'm just going to get started. So I've already moisturized my skin. I always like to do that because you want moisturized skin, you know, you want your skin to be hydrated and everything. So that's really fun and really fresh, and you really got to do that because that's important. So then next I grab my Hoola bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's just so good, you know. So I just grabbed the brush it comes with. I just pop some on my cheekbones things. Oh yeah, so I also got a new ring light. If you didn't know, before I was using two like soft boxes to like light up my for my lighting thing. I don't know. I was using two soft boxes before, but I recently got a ring light. So this is my first time using it. I'm just testing it out, experimenting with different lighting, see what's better. So if you guys look at this lighting and sort of like the lighting I had before, comment down below which one you think is better. If you guys wanted me to make a video on like comparing the soft boxes to a ring light, comment down below, because I don't know if that will help people or not, to see which one is better or works better, or like just what works better for me, you know. So now that I've done that, I'm just gonna get a fluffy brush and I'm gonna dip into the Hoola bronzer again and just go underneath my lip, and then I just put a little bit where I would like contour my nose, but just a tiny bit because I don't want to be like, you know, it's just kind of, you gotta be subtle, and I want to look natural. So then I also take some and use it as like a sort of eyeshadow, just like a natural sort of thing, to like deepen my crease and everything. So I just pop that on, and after that I just grab this sort of brush. It just looks like that, and I grab the Hoola bronzer again and I just go underneath my lash line. Oh, you guys may have also noticed that I didn't put any like concealer or foundation on or anything. I don't usually like to put concealer or like foundation on if it's just natural makeup, because if I do have like a few pimples, I just kind of don't want to cover them because I want them to breathe, and like I want them to be gone, you know, because I don't want to like cover them up and then make them worse and everything. Unless they're really huge and really annoying me, then I'll cover them, but if not, I just let them be and let them just, I don't know. I don't cover like small pimples and stuff, so like you guys can see I have like little scars and everything, but I don't worry about that because I just can't be bothered. So now my face is all bronzed up, we're just gonna grab the Tarte blush I always use. Seen me use this like pretty much every video by now. It's just the Tarte Thrilled blush, and I'm just gonna grab an Morphe R14 brush and just pop that on. So I like to put those on my cheeks. I just like to go a little bit onto my nose to give me a sun kiss sort of look. So now that's on, we'll move on to brows. So for brows, I don't really like to do anything that much to my brows on like a natural sort of daily basis thing. I just sort of like to brush them and then just set them with a brow gel, because as you guys know, I'm not the best at doing brows and I don't have the time to like spend like 10 minutes on each brow, you know. Okay, next we move on to eyelashes. I just grab my eyelash curler and I just curl my lashes and just put mascara on it. It's just pretty simple. So the mascara I use is the Revlon Glow Luscious Mascara. This is just a drugstore mascara, but it's actually really good. Sometimes when I like rub my eyes or like accidentally rub it, it doesn't like come off, unless obviously I'm like rubbing it, but usually it doesn't come off though, like that. Because I've used, if you see in some previous like tutorials, I think even my first natural makeup tutorial, I used a Tarte mascara, and that, I don't think that was waterproof. So whenever I like watch a movie or something and I cry, my mascara will go everywhere, or I like yawn and like your eyes water a bit, my mascara will run a little bit. So I just really didn't appreciate that. Then my mum got this mascara for me. I wanted to try it out and it just doesn't come off, so it's really great. Okay, so as you can see, I get mascara literally everywhere, but we clean that up at the end once it's like dry, so I can just quickly clean it up. Okay, so now that I've curled both my eyelashes and put mascara on, so I'm just gonna clean it up with the little Q-tip and just clean up all the parts that I messed up on. Okay, so next we're going to do highlight. I freaking love highlighter. I don't know what I do without it. It's great. So I'm just gonna grab the Morphe X James Charles palette, and I'm gonna dip into the shade Face, which is that highlighting shade, and I'm just gonna pop that where I usually put highlight, you know? And obviously we're not going for like a blinding highlight, but I do really like highlight, so we're gonna put a little more than we usually do if like a natural one. I don't know what I'm saying, to be honest, but I just put quite a bit of highlight, but I like it. Okay, so now that we've done that, the last thing to do is just set it all in place so that it can last all day long and not come off and whatever, you know. So I'm just going with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and I'm just gonna set it in place. So yeah, this is my natural everyday makeup look. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I don't usually do anything to my lips. I just grab like a lip balm or something and put it on. This is the Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear. This lip balm is... it's so good. I love it. It smells really good and it's really moisturizing. I use it all the time. This one is really good. I really like the coconut and pear flavor, but my like ultimate favorite is the cucumber and mint. But this one, I'll just show you guys. Yeah, like it's finished. I finished it and I'm really sad about it. But it smells so good. And if you guys didn't know, green's my favorite color. So it's my favorite color. I like bring it every day to school and I use it a lot and it smells really good. So it ran out. I do like the coconut and pear as well. So these two I recommend, the Burt's Bees Cucumber Mint and Burt's Bees Coconut and Pear. This is not sponsored at all, but I just really love these lip balms, you know? So that is it for this video. It was quite a short one, sorry guys. I just thought I'd show you what I do like every day because I don't know if you found that interesting. Whatever. So yeah, this is just what I do every day, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, just give it a thumbs up anyway because why not? Oh, so don't forget to follow me on social media. I'll put them right here so you can go look at those, memorize those, whatever you want to do, whatever. But they'll also be linked in the description, so if you want to go tap on them and follow me. Oh, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Turn the post notifications on so you get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.